Guys, I got it for $2.35, and he said wisdom, courage, serenity. And this one, guys, is a real pearls, and I got for $2.35. This one is a magnet right here, and then there's also a, what you call this, like a chain to hold. And you can wear it as a, probably you can wear it also as a ankle bracelet if you want. There's like a heart right there. And then what else is this? And then there's like, and this one is a cross.